Hey friends, Nick here, and this Sunday at Wellington Square, it is the third Sunday of Advent, and that means it's time to talk about joy. And so if you are someone who has questions about joy, if you are someone who struggles to have joy, if you are someone who really wants to feel the fullness and depths of the goodness of life, this one is for you, because we're going to talk about how to experience joy. And then later on in the service for the sermon, we're going to look at what the wise men, the Magi, the three kings teach us about how to show up for Christmas, which is our way of talking about how do we show up in a way where those truths of Christmas can shape and inform how we be human and alive in the world. And we're going to talk about their story and how it's our story and what we can learn from them. It's going to be so good. So you are invited 9:30 and 11:30 online, in person here at Wellington Square. Bring the whole family. It's going to be amazing as we continue to count down to Christmas and get ready to let it change everything. We'll see you there.